Hey everybody, what is going on? Sean here with ZeroToIncome.com, and today we are going to talk disclaimers. All right. So, one of the things that we've done in our toolbox, actually a couple things that we've done in the toolbox, is that we created a couple tools in the free Zero to Income toolbox. One of those was a prompt that you can use on ChatGPT to get a privacy policy. And then we had another prompt that you could copy and use to create a terms and conditions policy. So John over at Tech Reviews 919, he recommended, hey, why not create another prompt for the disclaimer? And I'm like, yeah, why not? Let's go ahead and do that, right? So that's what we've done. We've actually gone and created another ChatGPT or AI prompt. You can go and pop this into whatever AI program that you like to use. In this case, we've been using ChatGPT. So it says ChatGPT prompts, but you could say AI prompts. Okay. So if you're struggling with, hey, what do I do with the disclaimer? How do I create a disclaimer? This is how you do it. So let's walk through the steps on how to use this create a disclaimer prompt. It's super easy, obviously. We do everything we can to make things stinking easy. We're going to go ahead and click on copy prompt. We'll click on OK. And then what we're going to do is pull over a notepad. And then when you paste your prompt into either a notepad or Word or a Google Doc, you'll go ahead and you'll edit it. I've kind of changed things up a little bit here. All right. I've made it so that any variables that you need to enter for the prompt, you can enter right down here below. All right. So don't worry about this stuff up here. Right here where it says website name, enter your website name. I'm going to say Zero to Income. All right. And then website focus. Describe what your website focuses on. All right. We have a one-liner here. We help small business owners and entrepreneurs build their businesses on with biblical. I don't have this memorized, but I'm pretty close to having it memorized. Biblical foundations on a biblical foundation with a biblical foundation, and we teach them processes and provide tools to make it stinking easy. Okay. So describe what we offer. Obviously, I did a misspelling there, and Notepad now has a spell checker, so that's kind of cool. All right, so now what do we offer? All right, and so you want to stop and ask, do I offer coaching? Put that in here. Do I offer courses? Put that in here. Do you offer free tools? Put that in here. Um, do you promote affiliate programs? I would put that in here as well if you're promoting affiliate programs. And we do affiliate stuff, so I'll put that in here as well. So I'm going to put right in here. We offer tech support, courses, and memberships. And we are affiliates for a variety of software applications as well as an Amazon. Can't type today. As well as an Amazon affiliate. So we got that done. And then enter your email address that visitors can use to contact you. You literally just going to go in here and put in here your email address. You know, contact me at my website.com. Okay. Now, take this whole thing and do a Control A or highlight everything and do a Control C or right click and copy and then go pop it into ChatGPT. I'm going to do an incognito window and then I'll go to ChatGPT and then we'll pop it in there. Okay. And see, it's doing the whole thing for you. It's there it is. All you have to do once it's done is copy it and paste it. So I wouldn't copy the whole thing here because it grabs everything. Please reuse this draft and let me know if there's anything specific, any specific additions or changes you would like to make. So there, it's even got the email address to contact. All right, so there you go. There you've got now a disclaimer for your website to go along with your privacy policy, to go along with your terms and conditions policy. All of this is part of the zero to income toolbox, which again, if you want this code, down below, there is an option to sign up for the free toolbox. If you sign up for that free toolbox, we're going to send you a link to access it, and then you will have access to all this. And we are constantly adding more tools to it. All right. This is like, a toolbox out in your garage. You need something, you go and you buy the tool. Same thing here at Zero to Income. We come across something that we need. John recommended it, and we go and we add the new tool to the toolbox. So it's not something that when you get access to it, it's like that's all you get. You get it, and then everything else that we keep adding to it, you're going to have access to. All right. So if you're liking these videos on System.io, we have a whole System.io playlist. Go check it out. And obviously, we also have a whole playlist on using ChatGPT and AI in your business. So you can also go check that out. But that's it for now, everybody. Thanks for watching.